Hello and welcome to this short introductory video on February's Lab Developer Workshop. My name's Paul Gregory and I'm a Senior Customer Success Manager at Skillable. It will be me that's actually delivering the Lab Developer Workshop, so hopefully I'll get to see you all there. The Lab Developer Workshop will be taking our new format. So the first part of the session will actually be looking at the new features that we've either very recently released or we're expecting to release during March on both the LOD and the TMS platform. So there'll be a quick highlight of what those features are, maybe some demonstrations depending on exactly what the features are capable of and if it's something that's easy to demonstrate. The majority of the time though will actually be focused on a piece of technology. So in this instance we're going to actually do an introduction to the containers fabric on the LOD platform. So we're going to look at what containers are, we're going to talk about use cases for using them in training and also use cases where they're inappropriate to use in training. Plus we'll also get our hands on using containers, delivering labs with containers, modifying containers, and a couple of other bits and pieces. We'll see how we go as time progresses. So hopefully you can join me on the 24th of February to investigate containers running on the LOD platform. I look forward to you attending the session. If you're not sure how to book onto a session, please either visit our website skillable.com or contact your account executive who can organise registration to the event. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you very much.